listen carefully. One small mistake, just one, just drop your credit score by 100 points overnight. And the scary part, most people don't even realize they are doing it. If your credit score is low, banks don't trust you. Loans get rejected, credit card gets denied, and even if you get one, you pay high interest rate. But here is the good news, you can increase your credit score very fast, even if it already damaged. And in this video I will show you exactly how step by step it works. Imagine this, Rahul is just 26 years and works a decent job. Salary is good. One day he decided to apply for a personal loan. He thinks easy approval because I earn well, but rejected. He tries again with another bank. Again rejected. Confused, frustrated, and embarrassed. Then he checked his credit score, and suddenly everything makes sense. Late payments, maxed out credit card, random loan inquiries. He didn't even realize it. He was slowly destroying his financial future. And if you are not careful, you might be doing the same things whatever Rahul has done. But don't worry, because what Rahul learned next changed everything. Now listen carefully. Your credit score is not random. It is like a trust score that tells bank, can this person handle money responsibly? And it depends mainly on 5 things. But here is the catch. Not all 5 are equally important. Most people focused on the wrong things, and that is why they stuck. So let's break it down step by step. Step number 1, pay your bills on time. This is 35% of your score. Yes, just this one habit can control the biggest part of your credit score. But here where is the people mess up. They think एक बार ही तो लेट हुआ है, क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा, right? Very huge difference. Even one missed payment can drop your score significantly. Think of it like just if someone lies to you once, your trust breaks instantly. Same with the banks. Rahul had 3 late payments. He didn't think it was a big deal, but it was the main reason his score dropped. So what did he do? Very simple. He set auto pay, minimum amount auto debit, and within 2 to 3 months his score starts improving. So your action steps: turn on auto pay, always pay at least minimum due, never miss this due date. Simple but powerful. But wait, this next point is where the most people fail. Step 2, keep your credit card utilization low. It impacts your credit score 30%. Big words but simple meaning. If your credit card limit is 1 lakh rupees, how much are you using? If you use 90,000 rupees, banks think that this person is desperate for credit and your score drops. But if you use only 20,000, bank thinks this person is disciplined. Score goes up. The magic number, keep it below 30%. Even better, below 20%. Rahul was using almost 95% of his limits. That's why his score was crashing. So what did he do? He didn't stop using the credit card. Instead, he paid multiple times in a month. Yes, this is a secret trick. Most people don't think this. Instead of waiting for the billing date, pay before the billing date. Your usage still lows. Score improves faster. Your action steps should be: use less than 30% limit of your credit card. Pay early, not just on due date. Avoid maxing out your credit card. Now here comes something interesting. Tip number 3, don't apply for too many loans or credit card. Every time you apply, a hard inquiry is recorded. Too many inquiries equal to red flags. Banks think that, why is this person desperate for a credit card or loan? And your score drops. Rahul made these mistakes. He applied 4 banks in 10 days. Big mistake. His score dropped even more. So remember, never apply blindly. Instead, apply only when necessary. Wait at least 3 to 6 months between applications. Check eligibility before applying. But here is the something, most people ignoring it, and this can silently boost your score. Step number 4, keep old account active. Age matters. Keep it in your mind. The older credit card, the older your credit history. The older your credit history, the better your score. But people do this mistake. They close old credit cards thinking I don't need this anymore. Wrong move. That old card is actually helping your scores. Shows long-term disciplines. Rahul had an old card he stopped using, almost closed it, but luckily he didn't it. Instead, he used it once a month. A small expense, paid on time, and it strengthened his credit history. Your action step: don't close your old credit cards. Use them occasionally, keep them active. Now, this next step is like a hidden hack. Step number 5: mix of credit card types. Banks like variety. Credit cards plus personal loans may be EMI. It shows you handle different type of credits. But here is the catch: don't take loan just for this, only if needed. Rahul already had a credit card. Later, he took a small EMI product, managed it well. This slightly boosted his score further. But wait, let's talk about something very important: mistakes that can destroy your score instantly. Because avoiding mistakes is as important as doing the right things. Mistake number 1: paying only minimum due forever. You avoid late fees, but interest keep increasing and your utilization stays high. The score doesn't improve. Mistake number 2: ignoring your credit reports sometimes. Error happens, wrong entries, fraud traps action, and you don't even know. Check your report regularly. Mistake number 3: settlement loans instead of closing. Settlement sounds good, but it damages your score badly. Always try to close fully. Now let's bring it all together. Rahul followed these steps consistently. Month 1, no big changes. Second month, slightly improvement. Third month, noticeable jump. And 6th month, 620 becomes 750 plus scores. And suddenly, loan amount approved, better credit card offers, lowest interest rates. His financial life changed. Now imagine this: what if you are a start today, not tomorrow, not next month? Today means today, because your credit score is quietly deciding your future, your home loan, your car loan, your financial freedom. Everything depends on this number. Let's quickly recap. Pay bills on time, no excuse. Keep usage below 30%. Avoid too many applications. Keep old account active. Monitor your credit card regularly. Very simple steps, but powerful impact. And here is the truth: increasing your credit score is not just about tricks, it is about discipline. Small habits repeated daily. This video help you even a little. Make sure you subscribe, because I break down money, credit cards, and finance in the simplest way possible. Remember, your credit score can either make you rich or quietly keep you broke. Choice is yours. Jai Hind.